Apple has a feature called the lockdown mode. It's a security feature intended for individuals at high risk of sophisticated cyber attacks, such as activists, journalists, or government officials. This feature offers enhanced protection by limiting the functionality of Apple devices to reduce security vulnerabilities. Lockdown mode is available on devices running the latest versions of iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, and macOS. Users are advised to update their devices to the most recent software version before activating this feature. Once enabled, lockdown mode alters how the device operates to enhance security. For instance, it blocks most message attachments and link previews, limits advanced web features that might slow or incorrectly load some websites, and blocks FaceTime calls from unknown contacts. It also prevents connections to accessories or computers unless the device is unlocked and disables auto-joining unsecured Wi-Fi networks, among other restrictions. To enable lockdown mode on an iPhone or iPad, users should open the Settings app, navigate to Privacy and Security, tap Lockdown Mode, and select Turn on Lockdown Mode. On a Mac, users open System Settings from the Apple menu, go to Privacy and Security, find Lockdown Mode, and click Turn On. The feature will automatically activate on paired devices like Apple Watches. Users can adjust lockdown mode for specific apps or websites if they trust them. On an iPhone or iPad, users can disable lockdown mode for a website through Safari or configure app settings via the Settings menu. On a Mac, users can adjust settings for websites in Safari. Apple stresses that most users will not require lockdown mode. It's specifically designed for those who believe they might be targeted by advanced spyware or state-sponsored cyber attacks. Activating lockdown mode may disrupt normal device functionality, so it should only be enabled if there are credible security concerns. Consulting with a security expert is recommended if there's any uncertainty about using this feature.